I am Cheyenne Foss from Prime Platinum Property. Today I'll be taking you through this modern family home situated in the award-winning The Rest Nature Estate. This beautiful 4-bedroom home is now selling at R3,550,000 VAT inclusive, which means there is no transfer duty payable. This is a massive saving of plus minus R250,000. As you walk towards the front door onto the wooden deck, it immediately gives you a warm, inviting feeling. The glass front door takes you straight into the open-plan living and dining area, which leads onto the patio with built-in braai overlooking the pool. The architectural design of this home allows the natural light to flow in at just the right angles. As we walk into the kitchen, you will find there is more than enough cupboard space, prep bowl, eye-level oven and a large scullery leading to the courtyard. Moving over to the right wing, we've got all 4 bedrooms. To your left, separate guest toilet. The master bedroom is magnificent and elegantly flows from the large ensuite bathroom to the walk-in closet. Your sliding doors lead onto the pool area. Just take a moment to appreciate these views. Walking towards the 3rd and 4th bedroom onto your right, there is a large study nook which can sit down at least 2 people at a time, perfect for those study days. The estate offers a 21-kilometer mountain bike and walking trail along with bird hides and 4 dams. Kuro School is right in the center of the secure estate. What more do you need? This is low-fault living at its best. Make sure this becomes your home.